Grading policy. Please refer to the current university catalog for additional information regarding grades and course withdrawal policies. For this course, your grade will be determined in the following manner. Okay, pack back discussions are going to be 45%. We will have 10 of those. Each of them as a whole will be worth 4.5% of your total grade. You can either look at the percentages there as points or percentages. I do the whole class is 100 points, so 45% is 45 points. We have 10, so that's 4.5 points each, and so that's how I get to 45%. Professional readiness projects. I'm really excited about these. These are going to be 25% of your grade. They will be real-world practical simulations using your course content. So, we learn this information about, let's say, classroom management or something. There's plenty of subjects we could go. We're talking about that in class. And I actually just pulled up some of the prompts. So one of these are a couple of different examples, but you could for classroom management, attention span timeline, visually map attention span by age and show which tech tools support regulation at each stage. Or, show how to support better attention at each stage. Self-regulation simulator walk classmates or through how digital reminders and visual schedules support self-regulation development. Let's see some other ones. Vygotsky's zone of proximal development as a classroom management tool show how digital tools act as the more knowledgeable other. Map intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. So there's a lot of things that we can show, that we can practice, that we can kind of see how this information is going to be translated into the classroom. And so that's what these projects are about. Also, for these projects, you'll have to have justification in the form of primary sources. So it can't just be the book, but you'll have to really dig in and figure out some things and research and see, what's the best approach for some of these things. So I'm really excited about these assignments. I think they're going to be good and kind of help you understand the practical necessity of all of this information. Okay. Tests, there's going to be 2. There'll be 15% total, or 15 points. The midterm's going to be 7.5%, and the final 7.5%. I don't like to make my test. We need to memorize information. We need to have a good base of foundation for information. But I don't think that you should have to go down a letter grade if you do bad on a test. Some people just bomb test, and that's just how it is. So, yes, it will hurt your grade if you bomb a test, but it's not going to be everything. Active learning experiment. We will have a class-wide experiment using active learning research, resulting in a professional psychological report. So we are going to actually do research. It's going to be simulated research. It will be using questionnaires that other students your peers in the class are going to fill out, complete, and that will be the basis of your findings in your research. So it will be finished. We will finish it by actually writing the whole psychological report so you can understand how a psychological report gets put together. And if you ever have to do research and justify things that are going on in your classroom, this is the exact way that you're going to need to do it. All right. Last but not least, an interview. You have to reflect on an interview with an educational professional. So, for whatever reason you're in this class, there's so many people I'm sure that are in this class that takes educational psychology for different reasons. Some might take it because you want to be a teacher. Some might take it because you want to, teach psychology. That's why I did it. Some might take this class because they want to be a school counselor. So whatever role that you want to pursue, whatever interests you or made this class interesting to you, I want you to find that role and go and interview someone who's doing that role professionally. And then I would like for you to write a reflection of the interview. So also both the active learning experiment and the interview will be completed and turned in using PackBack as well. All right, there we go. 100 points total. A is 90 plus, B is 80 plus, C is 70 plus, D is 60 plus, and F, please don't do it. Come talk to me if you're having some issues, please. I'm happy to help. Please don't get an F. It happens every semester, but I hate it. So 59, 999 or above. Or lower. Sorry, 59, 999 or lower is an F. All right, grade back feeding expectations. I will be grading and looking at your stuff. I really like to have it graded, everything done and zipped up within 2 weeks of when I get your assignments. I do have more classes this semester than I've had in a while. So I have 120 students right now. And so sometimes it does take me a little while to get to things, but hopefully I'll be able to get to things. My expectation is really within 7 days to get it graded, but 14 days is my hard stop. I really, really, really try. If I haven't graded yours and, you have some question, it's been too long, email me and I'll be happy to help however I can. Okay, class participation will be measured by the effort put forth in PackBack discussion. So we really don't have class participation grade, but really your participation is going to be the curiosity score for PackBack. It will be basically in PackBack. That is how we're going to measure it. We don't have any other measurement for class participation.